Welcome back to your channel, one and all. It's your favorite channel, Speak My Mind Entertainment. One nation stands alone. What we say? Speak My Mind Entertainment. Your favorite channel is back with another video. So, I don't know what to do, but before me get into this video, I want to just do the do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We are stressed on it. If you not hit the subscription button as yet, go ahead and hit it now. And if you're over here as a new subscriber or a senior subscriber and you have not yet subscribed, which many of you are over here as a senior subscriber who has not yet subscribed to my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, please go ahead and subscribe now. Help both of these channels to grow. Please and thanks. Alright? Life is a Mission TV. Go hit the subscription button. Remember the young entrepreneur college student. Link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section. Life with Gabby and Chevy. Give her a subscription also. It now costs $1. And if you go over in my community, you see I repost another family member, Tamika Douglas TV. Also, please beg on a subscription too. You know? We are sending the young people them go a road. We are giving them something to occupy them time. Whether them a man or woman. So, you know, their mind not stray in a foolishness. Like when you see some of them all parasites in a phone, their mind just a stray away from the positivities. Whether them are do it or other people are do it, their mind just straying away from that, and it's just all negative, 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 negative. No current no run through them because of being negative, negative, negative. You understand? So if we can help someone to grow where them can have something to occupy them mind, them time, you know, where them can even earn from, why not? We not come here so to hold down nobody. We not come here so to strangle hold nobody. Each one help one, and that we come here for. We mind clean, we heart clean, and we mind pure against people. Once you are someone who have a clean heart and a pure mind against people, despite at the same time we still have to watch your surrounding. Watch your friends, what you keep. Watch your friends, what you keep. Enough of them a liar than enough of them a thief. So if you watch your friends, where you keep. You know do. Anyway, Easter shout out. You know, who not hear them name already. Can listen up feet here. So now, Joy Harper. Blessings to the whole of you. KK. One Karen Blair in the building. You understand? Fly direct a long time I not see you know. Blessed one, Wagwan. Keisha Barker or Baker. How it got again? A Barker or Baker? Keisha, remember me tell you know, just hold strong, my sister. You understand? Just hold strong and keep the faith. Such is life, you know. We're not gonna really stress man the happenings, but it's just stress. Such is life. Don't make it stress you out. Just hold strong, hold on to the Father, cling on to Him. There is nobody else to cling on to in a time like this. Big up yourself, Keisha. Simone Joseph, Elaine Cooper, Pearline Jackson, Violet, Pearl Campbell, Dandy, Sharon Walters, Chrissy D, Vivian Brown. Big up in her sister. You understand? Lita Williams, what go on my sis? Why me I tell you. Lita, bless up. Bless up. Jazzy, bless up. Vicky Lewis. What is Smuffet Young? Smuffet Young, supposed to so it pronounce. Bev Williams. Marcia Curry. LaFern Flinch. Shorty Everbless. Big up Shorty Everbless. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Rose Hill. Nicole Dixon. Mojo. It's no joke around here, Mojo. Bless up yourself, Mojo. Jennifer Minot. Glennis Burton. Mary Lee. Dimple Samuels. Keturah Bailey. Jackie Cross. Patty Yoni. Elaine Turner, Ingrid, bless up on yourself. Bless up on no damn. You understand? Anyway, at the Easter big up. A few more might come after. People, you know, so I feel like Joe Biden will start take a stronger measures right now in America, where the scaleless, non-progressive Jamaicans are concerned. I feel like them deport a whole heap of people from America. We could have stayed America by getting a second chance in helping themselves and even help to further build America, than having some of these culprits in America who claim to say them are American citizens. Some of them run and seek asylum on different levels, and they are not contributing nothing back to America more than sit down, plot and fight against other people who is trying to do something for themselves and for America. I may talk one cracker teeth, Lorraine Campbell Brown. All like of them that Joe Biden can deport back them there, because they are not contributing nothing to America. They are stressing the American system. What are they doing into America? Nothing. More than find all the time to sit down and carry down other people who is American, whether by birth, by default, by asylum, we are trying to uplift themselves and help America also. I come across this video with she. You know, as I don't know, she continue to play these whole heap of voice note what them call memories from way back when, saying she trying to Earth 99 or Earth 360, whichever way she want to have it in herself. But one thing for sure, we all can see, this not Earth 99. This on no show you up in a life, how careless you are, to sit down every day, dig up all these long time voice note to come out against 99 who not look upon you, who not trouble you, who they remember say you exist. If you want 360 a fight a war or have no difference, why not go at 360? But you claim to say 360 a come at you because of Dana. Remember, you and 360 was once friend. I know me say so. It's a 2 video me I go play people in a one. Me I go play she. And me I go play her farmer colleagues. And this is why me I do that video, yeah, because she has stressed on Dana, and I play one bag of memories of 360 of out there from back then. I mean, here she has stressed on cartoon Chuck Face. Me no hear she has stressed on cartoon. But yet still cartoon come out against her day in, day out. But she park cartoon on in one corner. We know Dr. Dana Marigo is the bigger name, we agree. But me no matter who for name bigger, you know. Your name could have small as a mustard seed. Your name could have small as an eagle eye. Once you deal with me and I come at me I come at you. You understand? Dana now look for you. So why you continue to come at Dana when you have cartoon where you come at you day by day in your personal life, your family life? You're not going at she. If you and 360 have no difference, why not you go at 360 and you and him tussle it out? Who win, who lose? Who are the stronger one win? Who are the weaker one will fall? No, you choose Dana. So you move from charity because charity done, and you gone upon memories of what 360 play, and you worry about peace treaty we call, what you try call an alliance of women to come and tear down 360, and you're not getting the support. People, you know, listen. I may play a video, a recording, not a recording, a live as you know, the dead live, of cartoon going at her. But me I play she first. Because I want to know see say she feel like she have Dana strength. Or she feel like what she a do a hurt Dana. Cause she no realize say what she a do a strengthen she a strengthen Dana. Fi firm up more in the Gideon. You understand? And just a excel left for no. Listener. Come up, crockery teeth.
2 minutes, me not stay long, me go come back. Me just did that listen something. And let me address that dirty woman they were call over Ashanti. Lady, shut your hell. On you too wicked and biased. So, Ashanti signed peace treaty with Dana. Ain't nobody business with that. That's his way. Nobody can tell nobody over
You business.
So Ashanti fi
You
class
business.
every woman.
You business with the peace treaty we sign. If there's a peace treaty that's signed. Cause me never know say a man decides, alright, or probably two friends or associate or alliance or acquaintance or whatsoever. Say, here what, me could done with this foolishness. This don't make no sense. This a crap. Full time now, we're growing. We make up grow past this. And a welcome of the whole initiative as accepted by both parties. It's a peace treaty, alright? Yeah, call it you say a peace treaty. But what me I say, because that have been done and this man you come out against you, where your name was once alliance, you figure more or less say you feel live upon this woman where you claim to say you fight corruption. And your corruption, the war still a fight. But are you alone in it? Because all your confederate them, all your alliance, where you farm, everything crumble away. And you don't have nothing else, but you have to still have this woman here, all are responsible for what 360, and you have a go at one another. You have to still hold the woman responsible for that. Hey.
And except Dana, a liar, tell I go and play memories till my cracker teeth them drop out. You hear?
You're not embarrassed
Ashanti
yourself.
signed peace treaty with Dana, no problem with that. To each is his one. So Ashanti if you live for every other woman, lady go look for your man. Go and look for your man. You can look out Ashanti and Dana Batty. Me no come here to do that. I don't come here to do that. You only want to hear the woman over there. Oh, Ashanti sign. And
So what you do over there? You are going to say, oh, yes man, I'm glad all the memories I get to, and that simply mean over here listen. Then when the woman over there say, now I get to you, because you're over there listening, and you say it, not me. You say you're over there and hear the woman go on with herself. That's why you take to your life.
critique and them we're going to play memories still on no job dead. That mean you know I watch it, so the memories are reach you know.
So you know watch them too?
Want it to reach you know. Because you can't know, you cannot tell me I play later. I want lit memories still on a job dead.
Now I'm not
When
if you do
Ashanti
99.
start disrespect woman, then we go our way. We no business who inside peace treaty with. We can't tell Ashanti what to do. And nobody never tell Ashanti if pick up Dana charity. I love him, love money, that's why man I grind him. You understand? Him pick him child peace treaty, him go him way, him can't tell people to live, neither you. Neither you. I want to play memories still on a job that you have no shame.
I'm more likely you not no shame because you play something where not have no effect on nobody at all. You feel like it have effect, but it has no effect. Because I'm sure no, this evening when Dana leave out with this bird, if we got Ochi Reyes, with her big nice contract where she signed to promote Miss Birdie Bun, all of your memories never stop that. Eh? So, I owe for shame, I must you for shame, because what you try to achieve from all of this, you don't achieve nothing. You know, see that now come back for Lord, me can't take Lorraine. Lorraine talk up all of the things about my mother and me and my sister and my brother and my pitney and my uncle and my nephew and my niece. Me can't take it no more, me I will left social media. You know, see that now come out of ball? Dana no come out of ball. So that simple mean it have no effect on Dana. None whatsoever. She not no time for no. So you should have shame.
Memories create. Not
No
until
waste
him
time.
leave me, me no business with nobody else. When him left me, me left him. But as long as him call me name in him stinking mouth, I don't go feel it.
Once him left me, me left him. But once him call me name in him mouth, I done. So I done trouble you. I done the weak fence. How you know have them your power and strength you have to attack Chuck face. Angela Toast they are melt you out like ice. And you not talk about Angela Toast. Eh? Dana you have strength for. The woman who has sore left you. And she have strength for. Stay with your left, you know. Dana is an eagle soaring to the sky. Stay with the ground dove. Why you don't go and pitch over there where the ground dove Angela Thousand is? Eh? You quicker can get to Angela Thousand, you know, because she's a ground dove. She always on the ground. But Dana is soaring to new heights. And Dana you try reach. And the ambition that you have, you know. And the ambition that you have. A low ambition that.
Memories. Him not do me no better than what him do Dana. Memories. As long as him call Laurie a name, memories. Dana, you send him out, listen to him there. Him son a go mad. Later, yeah, me just come to tell them that. Memories later, straight through. Anytime him call me name, Dana memories a play. Nah, stop play. When me say, them have to take me 3 pints. It no look bad for me because me never dance with him. Dana dance with him. Not until Dana can be woman enough, come out and say, Ashanti, leave the woman them alone. Find a different program though. You can't sign peace with me and a disgrace woman and a degrade woman and a cuss woman pitney and a cause. It not go work. Because them not go stop. I want to know me no bow down.
So when you did a try, all you can try in your endeavor to bring down your reign just to get at Dana, like you continue to do here, because you and 360 on a tussle and it's just all about Dana. Me never know say 360 and Dana Pitney. Me never know say 360 and Dana are brother. Me never know say they're related. Any at all. Eh? You go talk about stop carry down people, come out, come tell him to stop carry down people and people Pitney and woman. The amount of woman you carry down in a phone and you are the same gender. So what are you talking about? Hmm? The amount of woman where you try to carry down in a phone and you are the same gender. The amount of people Pitney you try to bring down where you try to look a better life through your Pitney them never get none. Hmm? Or through your Pitney them never privileged enough to get the assistance from the wider public or the wider world. Like these kids who reach out and the people them reach out and meet them and carry them across the river. Your kids never get the opportunity. So you feel like say no one should have got it, right? Shanae Bow, Urian Miller, you name them. There is so much more. And all of them was someone's child.
Lady, me no bow. I one bow me bow to God. Where?
Lie you I tell. Cause the mount of bow you bow West Bay Farm Road. The mount of bow you bow West Bay Farm Road. Not even a trailer bow so with the container on the back. Waterhouse, West Bay Farm Road. West Central St. Andrew. St. Lucia Road. Trinidad Road. St. Kitts Road. Antigua Road. Capture. You name it. All bout. You have jog like piece of floor cloth. Remember that. No come preach up nothing. So hold it about your bow.
You always do this. Do I? No, no come one lady me hear over pansy. And it that irritate me bad. When me have to come tell her.
One lady me ear over pansy and it that irritate me bad. So you see, sir, you, all our you are try to make being a problem to people. When the people them do it back, a youth will be a problem too. Because all your memories not being a problem to 99. I don't know if it's been a problem to 360. But I sure know it's not been a problem to 99. But the woman the on 360 program, you find yourself over there listen. And when the woman say I irritate you.
Say she can't tell me how to live. Me no push Ashanti and Dana door. If Ashanti sign peace with Dana, no problem. Me never have a problem with it. But leave my name alone. Me never sign nothing with him and me never
and
trouble
this is
him.
all about 316.
Leave my name alone. As long as him call me name, memories. It a go mad no, cause later me I come with the memories. She sounds stupid. Yeah, right out order. Nobody never send call him too enough. Like when you want to come tell people, me no kiss no ring, me no swallow to no demons. Where? She out of order, what dear? Yeah. So to Ashanti sign, me must sign, and everybody for sign. Go on, you can't tell people how to live. Where? Anytime Ashanti.
Nobody now beg you to sign a peace treaty. And you come out here and look people for sign with you, you know, and group up with you, you know, for carry down 360, you know. You understand? So no, me not think me hear nobody call you, oh Lorraine, come. People might just have said, boy, a full time, this is stop now and stop. And this have been saying long before. Long before now. So it's not like a yesterday or day before yesterday. People are wonder when you're going to stop. It come like you have to hit a brick wall to stop because it don't look like you have no break. It don't look like you have no break, you know. So it's like a brick wall you have to go hit. But keep me last
Call my
word.
name, memories. Dana mama, Dana Pitney them a feel it. Everything went about them. Every single thing, and nobody did tell him to say it. Him choose to say it, him never forced to say it. Everything, when you can find memories, when me say them something there, then you can talk to me. Anyway, later here, when you run on here, when you come back later, me go
Mount that time you say later with the woman say on 360 burn your bad door.
And it's Ashanti class done at the worst. Yeah, you want to hear her over there. Lady go there. But look out Ashanti party. And Dana one when the gold dust in her. Lord is that lady who was lying on you about Bob. It not sound so sweet. It not sound like other one.
Which part of the lie there? No lie no there between Laura and Bob. It is obvious. People no idiot, man. People no idiot. It is obvious. No lie no there with she and Bob.
How about that? Jesus, I will miss me no want it.
Steve, Claffy Steve. Because Steve a real Claffy, you know.
It's nice, yeah? That's how I can cook. When you hear treatment, it pepper do, man.
What kind of treatment? You just say you cook. So what kind of treatment?
I say some can cook. I cook some pepper steak.
That Steve cooking can come to you?
Man say my belly full. And it means that I have to name some. Nice. Russ Jones.
What kind of treatment? It's a treatment? Lord, it nice, eh? I mean, when I say something, I see him say it's about Sophia food. So it don't look like you know when food really tastes good. You understand? But more now, what kind of treatment? Are you cooking food? Steve could have just come in now and see the food. Steve don't know if you're fixing belly, because them say you already fix it already. So Steve, I want to make sure your name somehow tight, or probably him fix your one now. Because if you say your belly full and him still a force food for you to eat, something no must wrong. Something no right there, so. Ninja man vice. Something no right there, so. You understand? But no life no there, so. And you cook the food, you're going like the man cook and carry food come get in a bed. Move! You want to live big life till you're full.
I saw your wife with that friend, I saw if you tweet her, yeah? Bring food in a bed, come give her. Now give the dead them life, they just give her the steak. And make sure you put on one rubber. Because I don't want the good wife get no germs.
So why you never tell Bob to put on rubber? You are advisor, man. But you never advise Bob to put on rubber. Because him left him good wife for Canada to come to you. Let me say me can add up 1 or 1 and 1 11. 1 plus 1 and 2. But that a Bob for you. Number 2. Yeah, that a Bob for you. So and a 1 and 1 are 11. A 1 plus 1 a 2. Because that a Bob. Why you never tell Bob to put on rubbers when time I enter? You never know say you're sick. You never know. With your type of bleaching where you depend on all them sitting there. You supposed to know say this will never right. Because you see, bleaching, me not bash nobody with bleach. But you see when you bleach, bleaching is something where sometimes make you smell horrible. Because of the chemicals. And remember that is something will go up in your pores. You understand what me I said to you? And most women will bleach. You see, whenever time they having that play in the bed and them have a discharge from the hospital. Yes, them have a discharge from the hospital. The doctor let them out. Not all, but most of them tend to have a funny. Yes, man. Funny. And most times it all because it just come like, you know, you're on certain medication. Alright, I'm on certain medication, especially antibiotic, and in people, you can smell the antibiotic. You see the color of the people. Females the same. And when them on other medications during that same play in the, you understand, up on the floor around the house corner? Yes. You see when that time they come for the doctor discharge them from the hospital? Not too right. You understand what I say to you? Because of the medication. So it's just the same with the bleaching cream. Because remember it get into your pores. So you're supposed to know so you never stay good. So you should tell Steve to put on rubbers. Instead of make him man carry it back and match him more than mouse. But you come now and give advice.
You know what I mean? Just eat, you know. And just eat some rice and peas and fried chicken. So I'm a quick rub up that pepper steak, yeah. I can't cook, you know. Lord Jesus, I need to work my restaurant. You better can cook. Think you're there for your pretty look at them. Now done Steve Bangkok, but no, wait name there. Anyway, guys, oh God, don't nobody run, come on, later. And I say, good treatment, girl, get I eat a mad the net, you know. Girl can lie down in a bed and do live and get food.
Food that you already prepared. Food that you already prepared. You stop and think about, if you tell the man say your belly full and the man say I bring food, some trust not there, so you know. The man want you yam some of the food. Some trust not there. The man no want you put no food in a pot left there, cook no food left in a pot there, and him come dig it out and know. So you make sure carry some come give you for your eat too. So anything I reach him, I go reach you. But live life. What kind of life you live? And are you cooking food?
Crockery, turn up. Did you hear about the people who take shower at Walmart? Take shower at Walmart. That me say? SHOWER. Yeah, shower at Walmart. I don't hear about it. Anyway. I look up food and nice. Them can't tell nobody how to live. Or Ashanti for sign peace treaty with Dana, but him for depend every other woman on the internet. Move and go. Me a one girl him now live pan. Anytime him call my name, memories. Alright, you cost me for Dana. Dana, listen what he done to you, so it's not different. And you're one worse. Why? Why? You dance with him. Me never dance with him. Later, me dep on my personal phone and somebody at.
You know the video we make go play with Chuck Face cartoon. And more than dance cartoon, say you dance with 360. Me no know it go. Remember, who know about Batty and Chimmy. You understand? Me no know. Me just a tell you when me hear cartoon say. You understand? And more dance, you dance with him.
Alright, me never hear about the show that take place at Walmart. But again, let me say, I love Pepper State, Lord. Me fi tell you it nice. Alright, let me say, pretty face where you say. Alright, that's why Lorraine should always play. I want to play memories like I kill them. Evidently, them I watch it because them can know about say me I play it. Wait till later.
You see me there watch Shanti, I watch your woman too.
Good night, everybody, my boss and all the 9 yard. And Ashanti, the class done at the worst out of everybody. She sounds stupid and what is? Retarded. Oh, me can read. How you say? Me never know say me can read, Murray. You bet me know retarded. Hey, girl know a big word. Whoa. Whoa, you must to meet the Pepper State.
No man, because you look retarded, that's why.
Steak.
You look retarded, you know, that's why.
I'm gonna get a joke tonight again, right? Pull up memory. No. If I start memory now, I can't stop. I come back. True. I have a big memory to drop. A big one. Big one. Big mama go drop. You know I love you, Karen, but when I come back here, I just come to tell the lady this and for go. Why you don't call into Ashanti and say, Ashanti, you know, say you a cause all of this? And you bet them depend on her? Why you not leave the females them alone, Ashanti? Leave them alone. And
so why you not leave them alone also? You feel leave them alone also. Because you have evidence, so you can't come up with no evidence. You find evidence in one, but all know the case just die down, as the mother said, 9-day talk. 9-day talk. And everything over. What happened to the evidence where you have a show and a pour out on your screen every day, every minute, every for the woman down so? Oh, all know no arrest can make. All know no court date me no hear it a set. All know me no hear no summons a serve. All know me no hear no warrant a issue. So you know, sister, you're fighting a losing battle all these years. You sit down and waste your time. Why you not take the Uber work a little bit more serious? And all them time the way you sit down and waste. You turn on your GPS or your whatever for your Uber. And go and do some work. If you don't have nothing to do in a Steve place or Steve can't service you. What happened? Steve up here so done too? What happened? Up here so done? Them say down there so done, me no know. You understand? Because them say bending at the middle. You understand? But the head part they so kind of solid, but when I go in, it does. So them say it a black up you. You understand what I say? So me no know if up here so done. So all you have to do, take it to the street and go do some Uber work, man. Find something for do, man. Don't make Joe Biden or any other president after Joe Biden catch a napping, man. And you come back, you have nothing at all. Oh.
then, but we see if them are going to ease off. You understand? Because them memories are not so good all with Dan and Madam. Memories all day tomorrow. Memories Saturday and Sunday. Me give up my weekend. As me come from church,
you give up
memories.
your weekend.
As me done worship
and
praise,
woman, man.
memories.
He's one big married careless woman.
Big up yourself, Christy Regal. Big up yourself, Claudia.
For your grandmother at that. For a grandmother at that, you know. You are one big careless woman.
Surely enough love. Caron, you know, say you're
alright, you should have on Dana. And she and 360 at it. Listen now how cartoon I go at her. No, you know you share talk nothing about cartoon. If you go up on our last setup live that we should do, it's not about cartoon. It's about memories. And she now play the memories them down a water house. Because she never have no time for record them there. Because up to now she traumatized. So just imagine if she got hear all one of them the memories there right now. Listen, cartoon coming up, chop face. Wanna just listen. I not do much dissecting. Just listen. I just want wanna listen. You understand what I say? And how she now come out for cartoon. Because Dana she have strength for.
Tolerance. I swear to God, if you ain't none of them category, God knows you ain't none of them category or they lead. And them, some of them they are for in 3 year, 4 year, 5 year, and you're up there go home a century now. You pass all century. I go over to centuries. And you're not going with nothing because you're that at my backyard. $300, $200 to put class and some coke and some rocks steady up there. We are selling all in car for all $50. And so they feel for another ball then come back. So by then time they could have fine and them coke use their conscience because I say, boy, I'm get miserable for me. They start telling where you go tell them say before they reach you, you know. Boy, I'm get miserable for me. Now I'm going to deal with it. Now I'm going to check it, man. Now I'm going to check it. I can go on. You know when to go in, man. When I go in, man, you give me something, man. If you go back so often, man, you know, you're going to forget somebody something, man, and go to them. If one of them carry you, but I get home, man. Buy them 2 ball of coke and get a car. Do something, man. Do something. Do something. Yeah, you pick me, man. You go somewhere. So everybody pick me and live nice. Everybody grand pick me and go a park. Go ramp with white pick me and black pick me and all of them something there and they hear.
Remember, you know, people, a Laurie and this she talk to, you know, Larry crackle teeth, lizard face, you know. Crook no lizard face, you know. But you know, here she talk about she. It's Dana we don't talk nothing about she talk about.
And them a look fresh. No man, do something, man. Oh God, man. No make it park them look so man. No make social media take away a little park. Fan a little picnic. Make a little picnic go to the park, go run. He want therapy. The park can give him therapy. If you run and go swing in a swing song, them and all of them, something they climb up the slide and then something they go slide down.
She not have no time for that. I don't know name she have time for sit down pan.
Therapy because you see him walk on a hall, him a limp like he get strokes on one side.
I have to take bad things with laugh.
Every day I have to kneel down on his knee because you're on the live round and round in the little piece of hall. So you can't get him if you bend down on his pony, them are good as all cool and catch up in his knee them. One side of him not right, it look on him when he walk. Only a man will get strokes and then go to recovery room and them alone.
As a grandmother, she not have no time to observe them things there. Because it's just all about one person. And her grandson, they're right in her eyesight, we should observe. Because that is her duty to do. You understand? To observe any because things what is not normal. She not have time for do that. She didn't have time for wash her. Much less.
I used to say father behind him not to wall, but he have the same foot. Teach people and say that when him tear the box have sound sinking. When he press all the pencil pan he bore hole in it. They can't teach people that just lay down flat pan the concrete and he just draw and he take his scissors and can angle it more lighter. But see all them the finger they full of corn, if you cut all them the cardboard they lick up it with scissors. Eh? When you lick a cottage paper you give him a little paper scissors that just run it down in it. So worse when he hear comb scissors that feel lighter in it. So me pray that you don't know them things they go me pray that. I put on me pray that everybody your brother will fuck you.
Listen, you know, earlier on she said she not dance with 360 or Dana dance with him and Ray. But listen, we are crony and say you know. Everybody should depend on my brother because him so she call Furry Bobby, you know. Furry mouth Babisha. My brother, so just like old lady saw it say, Daddy had the name when me call me lover. Daddy had the name when me call. So brother what she call fear love for them. Oh, talk cartoon, talk chalk face.
Everybody a your relative. We are dig you out. Rat grind you, puss grind you. So
Our
send no money go give him man.
Oh yes, I old for true, but me I want the for
You're
pit.
not foreigner man, you're not foreigner your man, man, not foreigner post even come on. That's why you put out that out of the house. God almighty. You know what man
She just say she not done Steve Bank book, you know. She not done it and go a restaurant, she a cook. But she a done it and a mind man. And that you say cartoon? She a done Steve Bank book and mind man.
Remember I just say man vice man at that.
Alright, cartoon talk. Let me say she go come for you.
You send the money go give your boyfriend. love that. The man them more than sleep too. Bob, you know about him.
I'm not listening to
That's
cartoon
some
I
good
talk
thing I
low.
hide
I
from
don't know what I'm to advice.
you and him so close and that's the
I don't
only
know if she can
thing.
disturb the
Him
neighbor
not
because
know
I say
about
I
you
don't
and
want
this
to
year.
finish building. But I feel like I just talk she and give 360 talk for talk. Say she not live
You
nowhere.
don't know the man name.
Like
You
look
can't
like
tell
she
me man
just
name cracker teeth.
put on one piece of cardboard, you know, and put something over it. No window, no door. It a move like a walk-in store.
Cracker
No
teeth, you
window, no
can't tell
door.
me man name.
But I feel like she just a give
Like how
360
me no
sitting for
know,
chat.
like how me
Say
no
she
know
not live
no
nowhere.
home Taylor. I know me not like. You see through your mother and you see through the mother. You can't do like Lorraine. Me no want come out here so. And I tell like on the people them to make them go have heart attack and dead like how she kill Afia. So me not do you that. Me done with you. Me make this Herman live in peace. Because you see two the one me
See the people? No window. Yes, soon she should turn no door. But this is just a little, fake thing to make it look like a index so she live. Me not think so. She just put one piece of board or sitting with a little piece of cloth on it to make people feel like she not live nowhere. No window, no door. It's like a walk-in store.
that disrespect her and them so.
No window, no door. Walk-in store. Yo, them social media people are sample.
When I go to Michelle, Michelle shame out herself and don't know herself like that dog. Nobody
People,
rate her.
me want them to play no more of this, because that's
One
trained me
somebody can
ears.
just give man one go good
So
name.
Judge Uno.
I call her one. No. You see the mother. I get the mother like, here mother. I mean know you see right now, you see through me final on the yard and all of them something. You know, jerk up the mother. And say, same thing, see there. All my name people out there call. I'm asking you guys to just let she flow, you get me? And this year again, Michelle, me allow you to your mama you get to you. Get to me, I say, girl. You get to me, I say, no, just take over this and go on. Just take over this and go on. But
Them not no strength for cartoon. Poor Dana. You might, you might get a surprise there. You stay there feel like people weaker than people. If you have one set weak, have everybody weak. And if you have one set strong, try have everybody strong. So when you are going, your mindset are one way.
You think I look
I
people
play
in
about 3 more
I
minutes so
say
tight
you may
and
say 12, you may say this 12, you may this, you may that. Like you see so much and call for undercover mix up and go and talk. First it look like he don't know about TikTok. You fucking idiot follow me. She and Michelle make sit near but for when me I look back for she, me can't even find she. But you see Michelle page, me feel like as somebody using cause if I have more than 8 followers, I will have follow him. Feel like as somebody using page. Using face and make one page and put up right picture them over there. I feel so. I don't think Michelle that ugly so I come on TikTok. Father's thing maybe me ugly but me got what it takes. I can't just show his skin. I can't just show me back, my body anyway. But them they float, the way me see a floater come over TikTok, you know, see that's why father they made them see my lockdown TikTok guys. Then see Lorraine over there when I not close. And Michelle now I go come blow down your whole over there, them the big old dirty frack that to blow clap or see then TikTok no must lock down.
you see, me not go no further people because as I say me have to strain my ears to listen because she dep on a low voice. Me don't know if the rest of neighbors them we not have no window no door. She don't want to disturb them because the sound I go travel. make sure I talk so low. But me just did want to play this for you ear. These are the people them we should go against or go up against. We should not say nothing about these people. And these people are calling her out all the days. And she not go up against these people. She make it look as if, oh, I don't have time for waste on you. So you have time for waste on Dana? Dana don't have time for waste on you. You don't see that? Eh? You don't see that? Throw in your towel now, man. Now make the referee have to stop the fight. Throw in the towel, man. So that's just the reason why I play these people. For you to understand, say, these are people out there who go at Cracker Teeth, Laura the Lizard, Croc the Lizard. And she not come out for them, she not no energy, she not no strength for them. She and 360 have them difference, and it's about Dana. Because Dana make him a cause she. So she play all these memories, and you don't realize it nah shape Dana one bit. You have to come with one earthquake 10.10 on the Richter scale for shake Dana right now. And you can't reach this. Because you don't have no energy, you don't have no strength to come with no 10.10 magnitude earthquake for shake 99. You understand? Speak with mind, people. Thanks for watching again. Come to the end of another video. I know what to do. Do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember just to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Life is a Mission TV. Speak with Mind Entertainment. Remember the Young Entrepreneur. Link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section. Pin. Go ahead and give her a subscription. And the next person one is in my community where I repost our channel, Tamika Douglas TV. Give her a subscription. We not sell nothing wholesale. You understand? Take the whole 4 channel and subscribe for free. We not sell them. Free we are going to them. Just hit the subscription button. And remember the cash app pin in the comment section. $ Life is a Mission TV. Bless up my people. I don't know if I can go on 2 videos for tomorrow. After I see that one here. As a matter of fact, I don't even know if YouTube will go on this, you know, because 2 little things saying that sometimes you can't keep up with the YouTube will hold on the video for from where sometimes then just hold on. I don't know. But hope for the best. Bless up on yourself. Happy Ben Johnson when it come. I'm out.